1,000 words ain't enough to define the body up, yeah. Got a look and she wants it back. She's firing up that body up, yeah, babe. You think that I want you, but nah, babe. You're one in a million, but it's not for me. I'm not into girls with a plastic trace. Don't take it too personally, yeah. My fault, my bad. The word's out, but you aren't ready for it. Show off, appearance of I got it, but I can't see through all the lies. The lies, the lies.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a while, but if you guys are following me on social media, then you already know what's going on. So I'm here to show you this hair that I received from KlaiyiHair.com, and I will have all of the information down below in the description box. So the hair I received is 3 bundles of Malaysian straight hair rather, and I got 3 bundles of 22, 24, and 26, along with an 18-inch frontal. So this is what one of the bundles look like. I believe this is a 26-inch bundle, and I didn't receive any type of shedding or tangling or no crazy smell. And also the hair came in about 2 to 3 days, which is really fast. So you guys, believe it or not, I did go ahead and bleach these knots, and I did pluck the frontal just a little bit, not a lot. And I did all of that off camera because I'm not really good at it, but I think I did a pretty good job. I think it came out really well. This is the hair once I was complete making it. I did sew it onto a dome cap, and I did adhere this wig to my head with some Got2b glued free spray, and I also adhered the cap itself onto my head with the Got2b glued gel. So here I'm just showing you guys how I made a little bit of baby hairs, not a lot, but just to show you that you do have options with this frontal.
A 1,000 words ain't enough to define the body up, yeah. Got a look and she wants it back. She's firing up that body up, yeah, babe. You think that I want you, but nah, babe. You're one in a million, but it's not for me. I'm not into girls with a plastic trace. Don't take it too personally, yeah. My fault, my bad. The word's out, but you aren't ready for it. Show off, appearance of I got it, but I can't see through all the.
So I know I say this about most of my wigs, but this one is absolutely my favorite wig. And if I forgot to mention earlier, I only used about 2.5 bundles. I did not use all 3 bundles. And I think I'll be doing that from now on because it's so much easier to maintain and it's really faster to make, you know, like really fast. I think I did this in a few hours with stopping here and there, but yeah, you guys, if you're interested in this hair, it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the way it straightens. Again, there's no tangling, no shedding or anything like that. yeah, again, if you're interested in this hair, don't forget to check down below in the description box. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will have an update video on this hair because I plan on coloring and styling it a little more different. So stay tuned for that in a couple of weeks. And yeah, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Sensation, taking selfies for attention. She get high on confirmation.